Someone adds a rule on a Tuesday. It looks harmless. And nobody can tell you what it does to last quarter's numbers until it has already done it. Finlang can tell you first. One command runs both rulepacks over the same loaded data and diffs the result, row by row. Here it is on a real change, one rule added to a pack of 10. One row changes behavior. 14 don't. 93% stable. And it names what moved. A payment to an offshore trust leaves compliance review and becomes routine banking. 250,000 on one row, because of a new rule about trust accounts that nobody expected to collide with anything. Note the honesty in that figure. The report calls it indicative, and says why it's float arithmetic, not accounting grade. It also separates changes that matter from changes that don't. A rule renamed, or reordered with the same outcome, is reported but never fails a build. Behavioral changes exit with code 3. So this can gate a pull request, and the rule change gets reviewed like code, because it is. It won't tell you which rulepack is right. It tells you exactly what changes if you switch.